Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 4 trades. Today's date is March the 11th and I'm using my new Pip Snagger trading system. Now it has the indicator, I call it a magic indicator. The name is TZ indicator, short for trigger zones. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. It's also great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now at 6 o'clock in the morning, where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer putting together my daily trade plan. Remember, if you are not putting together a trade plan, that is probably a main reason why you are failing as a trader. Now we can take a look at this daily trade plan for today. Now the first 3 trades I took earlier in the morning based on the pound weakness. As you can see, watch for bearish trade. Now this crude oil, it says to buy here, crude oil. I based that on the very 2 higher time frames, but it says down on the lower time frames, so watch for bearish trade first, and then of course it can easily go up, so you have to be aware of that. Now if you're not producing a daily trade plan because you don't know how to do one of these, well, you can get your hands on this one. Keep in mind I do charge $100 a month for it, and if you want to get some more information on it, just get in contact with me. So remember that the oil here, more than likely it'll go down first and then up. It's the way you have to read the daily trade plan. So let's go through these trades. Pound dollar, sold based on the pound weakness. Let's see where I got in at. Pound dollar, there was your signal. Next candle I got in, it was the beginning of the cycle for going down. If I stayed in a trade, I kind of figured it would go down to the bottom, but at this point I was happy. And basically when I'm happy, and I am happy when I get 200 or more pips a day. And on this trade I ended up with 11 pips. Now it has to be 11 because of the USD in the pound. Pound dollar pays $10 a pip times 10 lots. That's why I ended up getting or making $1,100. Moving right along to the next trade, pound Aussie. Another one I sold. Let's see where I got in at. Here we go. That was the signal to sell. Got in here. At this cursor, there was my stop. It was like about 7 pips. Close it out, as I said previously before. Happy, and I was happy with 20 pips. And those 20 pips paid $1,537. Let's run a check on the next pound trade, pound CAD. There's the arrow from my daily trade plan. See where I got in at. This one here did quite well actually, and I closed it out just before getting the buy signals. Pretty much perfect timing. Pound CAD, let's see how many pips that is. This one here was looking pretty good at 116, and those 116 pips paid out $9,122. Now let's take a look at this crude oil. This is a perfect example of how you're supposed to sell the tops. There's the arrow. And buy the bottoms. If you don't have this TZ indicator, well, what can I say? You're going to struggle. So I miss this, looking at 21 instruments. I just happened to miss it. But at the bottom, as soon as I saw this, I thought to myself, it's going to go up. And let's catch the beginning of the cycle. Let's see where I got in at. This candle closed. I got in on the next candle. And just like magic indicator is worth a lot more than $250 just for the indicator alone. Traders who have it, they're finding success, reporting back to me. Anyhow, let's see, crude oil has to be 18. Can't get much closer than that, 17.9. There it is. 18 pips times $10 times 10 lots. Paid out a lovely $18,000. By the way, a very small correction when I said 18, it's actually 180. If you want to get it correct, it's 18 points or 180 ticks or pips, whatever you want to call it. So that's 180. Just do that slight correction. So another great day of trading. I just calculated all the pips and ticks, and as I said, I knew it was going to be well over 200. It was actually 327 pips, and those 327 pips paid out $29,760. And I was done trading. It was a little bit later today. Turned out to be 11:30, and I was getting into trades, before 8, around 8, and just after 9. So whatever that works out to, 3 hours or whatever, it was a pretty good payday. Great way to end the week. So if you're not trading with your system on a daily basis and getting great results like my Pip Snagger, well, I suggest you get your hands on it. All you got to do is look right below this video, click on the button there. I think it says show more. It'll either pop up at the bottom or on the right hand side, and you will see this write-up. It's my Pip Snagger system. I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market. And this indicator is fantastic. Look at that. Sell here. Could have locked in 400 pips. Sell on this next candle, wherever it opens, probably right here. And with a potential 370 more. Could have made a killing today going both directions. Now my system has 5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Also threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. Now there's a lot of ways to trade. I do teach a lot of ways to trade. That's why there's 50 training videos. Now you can put this video on pause. You can read each and every one of these ways to trade. If you have any questions, simple, pick up the phone and call me. I actually do answer unless I'm busy. And then of course, if you click on, if you live too far, just send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now if you click on this link, we'll have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, and give you some tips and tricks. Keep in mind, I do all of that with no obligation to you. Now if you click on this link, you'll see 35 screenshots of all the systems I've been building over the years. So it's time to wrap up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, time to say goodbye, and if you have any questions, just get in contact with me. And of course, until the next video, hopefully Monday should be, I want to wish you a great and happy weekend. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.